Morning, back onto the stubble field where I got the badge, artillery badge, so we'll take it from there. Very windy though. We'll see how we get on. First hole here, dug it there, and as you can see there's a big iron post. Okay, moving on. Hello again, next hole, first coin. First coin of the day. See here, dug it in there. And this is it. Don't see much on that. So far. Right, we'll wait till it dries it and we'll get back to it. First coin, look at that. First coin is going to be on the field. We'll see what it is later. See what it is later. Bye for now. Okay, here we're back at it. Sticking it. What is it? Is that a musket? Is it? Or is it a big bar? No. Go for a big bar. You never know. Alright. Okay, moving on. See you next. And if you're watching this, mind and give us a sub, a thumbs up or whatever. Thank you. Well again, next hole, you can see it there. Quite deep really. 6 inches, 7 inches done in the back bit. You can see there though, another stake. You can see it here. A big iron stake. But you've got to dig them. Could be a big bit of jewellery. Okay, moving on. Catch you later. Okay, moved on to the next hole, and looks like we've got something here. As you can see there. Button. Coat of arms, military probably. Clean it up and check it out and you'll see it in the roundup. Cool. Getting stuff now. Nice one. Right, moving on. Catch you next. One's died done. Okay, next hole. I'm just going to do a round to the fence and up just before the woods, and that's me for today. I'm back at another time. But in the meantime, I got another something here in the next hole. As you can see there. Coin, second coin. Oh, look for a Victoria, but see the bun head there. Just We'll check it again when I get it in the roundup. Okay, moving on. Second coin. Okay, so we got up to the last hole. When it starts to actually come back again. Right behind these barriers there. Right, down here in the hole, as you can see, there, looking like another coin. Oh. See it there? I'll need to clean it up. I see it, you see it in the roundup if I ever get it out. Size it. I wouldn't say it's a halfpenny, I'd say go for a farthing. But we'll see later on if he's come and watch the roundup and give me a sub and comment and a thumbs up or whatever. Remember. Okay, moving on to the next. Well, if anything else, the wind's died down, thank God. I'll continue into the right hand side there of the beginning of the woods, but in the meantime I got another signal down here. See in here. And you can see that. Yeah, it's an old 3-penny piece. A lot of people call this 3 pence. It's no 3 pence, it's 3 old pennies. And there was 2 made. One was flour threepenny bit, and this one here is a portcullis threepenny bit. 3 old pennies. Okay, another coin. In the roundup I'll give you the date and whatever. Right, moving on to the next. Right, moved over a wee bit and got a cracking signal, and it looks like a wee, find it, as you can see in the hole, a couple of coins, wee hoard maybe, coins full I mean. Let's see what we've got. This is where the cottages used to be. You see there, it's over. It's an old shilling. I don't think it's silver though. We'll get the date for that. Look at me, copper nickel. Lizzie there. Right, we'll check that up again, you'll see it at the end. That's one. Show it down here as well. If I can get my balance. There. It's looking like a penny. Aye. I think it's 1937. You'll see it better than me. It's George the 6th. You can check it up later. That's 2. Where's the other one? Right, that's 2. I'm sure there's another one here. There. The ship's halfpenny halfpenny. See it? I'll probably George, but we'll check that up again. Right, that's 3 at the one hole, so there you go, it's something, better than nothing. Thought I had a silver for a wee minute, but it's coming. Silver's on its way. Right, catch you later. Hello, and welcome to the roundup. This is the stuff I got yesterday. We'll start off with the rubbish, as you can see there. Golf ball, piece of pottery. Don't know what this thing is. Anyway, it looks something. And then that's and that's. I also had the iron, but that was left at the trees. Okay, let's go on to the good things now. So, the penny, Victoria, Bunhead, 1890, as you can see there. Been knocked about a wee bit dented and such like, but there you go. And then the second coin, and that was 1937, and that's George the Sixth. Okay, and then we had a halfpenny, and that's George the Fifth, 1914. Okay, and then there was the old threepenny bit, Portcullis, 1960, and that was Lizzie. And then we had a ship's halfpenny, that's 1940, and that's George the Sixth. Okay, and then we had another Vicky, see Britannia there, and on the back Young Bunhead, and that was 1888. See there. Okay, and then we had, which I thought was silver, it's coming, but an old shilling, and that was 1956, and that's Cooper nickel, and that's Lizzie. Okay, and then we had the button. Well, it's the British Army, made of brass. It's a lion and a unicorn. It's the First World War. It's Edwardian, and it's an officer's button. On the back there should have been a manufacturer's name, and that was Firmin and Sons, London. But obviously it's not there. So, there's another bit of history there. Nice button. Okay, so mind and give me a sub, and a thumbs up or whatever, and a comment, and I'll see you at the next one. Bye for now.